All right. One of the things I thought we would take a look at today was the new eLearning app that is available to your students and also to you on your iPad. So what you're going to see is you're going to see this E right here. What you want to do is click on that. Here's the dashboard for it. Okay, and you can show this to your students, today or before they happen to meet up or before Monday with our e-learning day. So you can take a look here. You see the schedules, the scheduled e-learning days. We have ours coming up here. It has frequently asked questions. Um, so it's kind of cool there. But then one of the things that I really thought you might want to use is the e-learning school links. So let's take a look at, say, Edgewood. So we click on Edgewood. It says here it's going to click on the bit.ly, and it takes it right to that interface. So they just click on the teachers' names, and it will be um, accessed by your students. Okay, so that is one nice thing about right here. It's got other things you can on the staff side. If you're going to be absent or you want to see your paycheck, that's kind of nice. Jobs available, talent ed, licensure, stuff like that. Student wise, you know, what the students would need, parents, what the parents would need. It's just got all kinds of different things. Paperwork for health services district, um, you know, different things. Our schools, it takes you right to the different schools. But I think the most important thing as of right now on this is this little e-learning school links. Now, suppose that the app goes down and you still want it on their homepage. Last week we talked about how to get something on their homepage or their front page through a web. Because remember, um, our this is all web based. So if I go to, let's say, Warsaw Community Schools, I want to click on that. There it is right there. Remember, um, needing to be on Safari, all you have to do is click on the share arrow, scroll down, add to home screen. When you click on that, you press add, and it shows up on the home screen. So it's right there. So I can then open that up, takes to the schools. You can also click on the e-learning. That just gives e-learning questions and answers. When you go to school specific, say we go back to Edgewood again, click on that e-learning, and then it shows up to that interface. So if by chance the app would happen to go down and you wanted the website on the homepage, you can go ahead and do that simply by going on Safari, typing in the website, click on the share arrow, scroll down, add to homepage. Click add, and it shows up. So then that's where mine shows up at. It's up to you if that's something you want to do, but the app is really handy right now. We push that out for ease of e-learning. So show that to your kids, show them how to manipulate it, and I think you'll be just fine. Thank you very much, and have a great day.